Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can change your payment method on your Netflix account in 2020. Alright, so to do this, just log into your Netflix profile. After that, just go up to the top right corner, hover over this little arrow, go down and click on this one, account. Now go to this one, manage payment info, click on that. And click on this one, change payment method. So update payment information. Your new payment method will be applied to your next billing cycle, okay? So you can add a new credit or debit card or choose a PayPal account. So let's have a look at credit card. So here you can just update the credit card with expire date and with the security code CVV, all right? Or go and add PayPal. Just click on PayPal. Okay, so set up your PayPal. As you can see, your membership is billed on the first day of each billing period, all right? Just so you know. Click the Continue to PayPal button and log in to PayPal using your email and password. Alright, so just click on Continue to PayPal. Log in. And just choose a way to pay. So if you have a balance on PayPal, they will use those money first. But if you have zero on PayPal, then they will use your credit card or debit card. All right. You can also add a new payment card. After that, just click on Continue. Okay, so then we end up on this page, information from netflix.com. So pay with this debit card. So if you agree with this, just click on agree and continue. And now you can pay your Netflix account with PayPal. Okay everyone, so this is how you can change payment method on Netflix in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And please check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.